Hello and welcome to Market Ki Baatein. My name is Raja Venkatraman. I'm the co-founder of NeoTrader and also your trading influencer. Been in the markets for more than 15 years, happily married with a loving wife and an energetic son who keeps me on the run just like the markets. Welcome once again. And we are having an interesting market series. We are having an interesting market time, and as people are joining in, hello everyone, and we are back once again discussing market में क्या हो रहा है, market में क्या हाल चाल है, और how are we to find out what we really need to do. Well, market keeps on speaking to us, and markets keeps on. Yes, Mayur, thank you so much. Thank you for joining in. So market में काफ़ी सारा movement हो रहा है, and the movements are not so easy to detect now, especially after the strong move that we have seen. So considering the strong move that we have seen, we always need to equip ourselves with the right kind of reading. And as usual, there are many ways to read the markets. News है, information है, and of course अगर जो फंडामेंटल्स करते हैं उनके पास कंपनी एनालिसिस है. लेकिन मैं रहा एक टेक्निकल एनालिसिस का फॉलोअर, और न्यूज़ तो पढ़ता ही हूँ, न्यूज़ तो समझता ही हूँ, और न्यूज़ को परखता भी हूँ. लेकिन उसके साथ साथ हाउ टू यूज द चार्ट्स, दैट्स व्हाट हैज ऑलवेज बीन माय एजेंडा. एंड चार्ट्स जब मुझे कहता है कि वॉट एवर न्यूज इज कमिंग थ्रू is definitely in line with the price, so that's when it makes it a very interesting situation. Interesting situation to buy, interesting situation to sell, it doesn't matter. What matters is at the end of our journey with that particular stock or with that particular index, हमें थोड़ा profit मिलना चाहिए. That's what is the whole agenda, and that's what I continue to do. And today my question to my viewers is, what element of the price chart do you see? कि आप चार्ट्स कैसे पढ़ते हैं? Do you only see the price, or do you depend on oscillators, या आपके खुद के गट फीलिंग आत्मनिर्भर पर डिपेंड करते हो? तो आपका क्या एलिमेंट्स है जिससे आप चार्ट्स रीड करते हो? That's what is my question to all of you. And those of you who have joined in, thank you for joining in. So what do you guys feel? What do you guys feel are the ways to read the chart? Any guys depending only on price action, or any of you depending only on oscillators? Okay. Vishal says he's depending only on price action. Shivam also says on price. Okay. Price action. What about the others? बाकी लोग का क्या विचार है? What do you guys do? Do you only see price action, or do you also look at something else? Okay, hedging is not a very clear answer. For exiting you use indicators. Okay. Arun says identify the trend, find key areas, look for rejection or breakout, entry and exit. Okay, so हाँ, hedging पर भी वीडियो बनाएंगे, लेकिन अभी चार्ट्स को अगर रीड कर समझना है तो व्हाट डू यू गाइस डू? ओके, प्राइस एक्शन विद सम इंडिकेटर्स. वेल, दैट्स गेटिंग इंटरेस्टिंग. यस, दैट विल मेक इट अ रियली बेटर वे टू फाइंड आउट. अभी फिलहाल तो कैनरा बैंक एक अच्छा मूवमेंट दिखा रहा है, लेकिन राइट नाउ इट हैज एंटर्ड इनटू द बैन लिस्ट फॉर टुडे. यस, many of you are talking about price action. So price action जो है, it always shows us some movement, but then there will come a point in the price action where the price will halt. But the problem is that people are always relying on hope, और hope से you're not going to make money. होप से आपको थोड़ा आइडिया मिलेगा कि चलो कल कुछ बन सकता है, लेकिन जैसे कि आज मार्केट थोड़े सॉफ्ट ओपन होके इट एंडेड इन अ डिसेंट वे, बट येट यू आर नॉट हैविंग द क्लैरिटी. सो डूइंग और रीडिंग द चार्ट्स ओनली ऑन प्राइस एक्शन, you are not going to get enough clarity. Price action, yes, it is very good, but then if you add some additional tadka, just like seeing the oscillators, understanding जो गति से जो प्राइस मूव हो रहा है, क्या उस गति से क्या अब प्राइस मूव होगा? If the answer is no, then you should realize that probably I should be not looking at the whole market with the same bullish lens. क्योंकि हमेशा क्या हो जाता है, you are always confused as to what is really going to happen. If you see over the last 3 to 4 sessions, market has been trying to go up, but then it has not been able to do it in a sustained way. And that is an indication that probably at these levels, the market is taking some time to decide what it really needs to do. So the time what it really needs to do, it could be either it has reached into a resistance zone, or it could be that the trend has reached a suffocation point, या trend अब थक गया है. So these are all the things which you get the reading from a oscillator. और जब आप निफ्टी का चार्ट देख लो या बैंक निफ्टी का चार्ट देख लो, आपको इस करंट लेवल पर आपको दिखाई देगा कि इट हैज कम इनटू अ ओवरबॉट जोन, और उसकी वजह से द पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ, मैं वर्ड पॉसिबिलिटी क्यों यूज कर रहा हूं, क्योंकि मार्केट इज समथिंग विच इज बियॉन्ड ऑल ऑफ अस. So we can never say that yes, we know everything about the market. There are many people who claim to say so, no problem. But मैं यही कहूँगा कि market is a place where you got to surrender. So right now, the way it looks like, yes, bulls उनका जो एजेंडा है उनको पुश करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, लेकिन they are having some difficulty. So what I would say is that right now you need to combine the price action with the momentum. When the momentum is beginning, yes, the momentum is beginning, that time price action reading is fine. Only reading price action is fine. But अब इस point पे it definitely is indicating that the momentum is getting tired. एंड इसको थोड़ा और डिटेल में स्टडी करने के लिए अगर आप सिर्फ प्राइस एक्शन पर देखेंगे, तो डेली जो चार्ट है निफ्टी का, उस पे जो कैंडलस्टिक फॉर्मेशन है, इट इज शोइंग अ लॉन्ग लेग डोजी, और उसकी वजह से आपको एक बात साफ जाहिर नजर आएगा, जिसमें यू आर गेटिंग अ क्लैरिटी दैट द ट्रेंड इज गेटिंग टायर्ड. देयर इज सम इंडिकेशन ऑन द चार्ट, and also you are also getting some indication from momentum indicator. So all these things are suggesting that probably the trend is getting exhausted, और एक pullback आने की संभावना है. That's how you got to combine. Momentum के लिए I would suggest that the fastest way would be the most popular indicator, which is RSI. It is still popular, it is still in demand, though it was designed by Welles Wilder in 1978. It still is in operation, and it's still one of the most widely used oscillators. There are many ways to use it, and yes, MACD is also reliable. MACD is also reliable. MACD also indicates a good movement about the trend, और MACD से भी आपको एक इंडिकेशन मिल सकता है. Does anyone use RSI? Does anyone use MACD? ये थोड़े पॉपुलर इंडिकेटर्स है, RSI, MACD, ADX. इससे आपको थोड़ा मोमेंटम का आइडिया मिल जाएगा. ओके, थैंक यू फॉर योर रेस्पॉन्स, राम. Yes, candlesticks does give you an idea, but then it's very difficult just to look at candlesticks and decide. Sometimes you get misled by just looking at candlesticks. That's why you need to integrate it with some momentum indicator. Market has got lot of people who are still buying at every dip, right? So when the number of people who are buying will reach an optimum level, okay, when the number of people who are buying, because अब भी काफ़ी सारे न्यूज़ आ रहे हैं और काफ़ी सारे पॉजिटिव न्यूज़ आ रहे हैं, जैसे कि कोविड वैक्सीन. सो लाइक आई सेड एट द स्टार्ट, एवरीवन इज डिपेंडेंट ऑन होप कि या ये चीज़ जो माहौल है, जो नेगेटिव एनवायरनमेंट है अदर देन द मार्केट, Market, the environment has been extremely positive during the COVID period over the last 7 months, 8 months, 9 months. It has been extremely positive for the market, but the overall environment has been very negative. और जब इस टाइम पे अगर आपको कोई वैक्सीन मिल गया है जिससे ये नेगेटिव एटमॉस्फेयर जो है वो निकल जाएगा, सो पीपल आर होपिंग वंस अगेन दैट द नेगेटिव एनवायरनमेंट विल गो अवे एंड इट विल ऑल्सो बी गुड टू initiate some long at this juncture also. So that's why the market is not falling. And another reason is that there are a lot of corona traders here. Some of you out here are new to the market and you have found that yes, market has been a fantastic experience. जैसे कि देखिए बर्गर किंग का जो IPO है, it is hitting circuit for the second day in a row. So what does it indicate? It indicates that people are coming into the market at a tremendous speed, more than ever in its entire history right now. And this was something like the Harshad Mehta days where a lot of people are coming into the market. So the possibility of the trend continuing is very high. Pullback आएगी, 4 महीने पहले भी पुलबैक आया था, 3 महीने पहले भी पुलबैक आया था, उसके पहले जुलाई में भी पुलबैक आया था. लेकिन पुलबैक के लिए सब लोग रुकते हैं लेकिन कोई उस पर काम नहीं करता. That's what is the biggest problem in the market. Yes Bank, see, there are stocks like Yes Bank, Jet Airways. There are very high chances of you getting stuck in that stock. It's absolutely counter. उसके जो अच्छे दिन थे, it's all over. Now it is just a dead stock. It will give a bounce back if you want to initiate some trade in that. It's completely a potluck story. उसमें कोई पर्टिकुलर थियरी आपको चलाना है तो उस पर कोई चलने नहीं वाला है. It is just that if you got some information and there are many ways the stocks get moved here and there, that's a part of the market you got to accept. And अगर आपके पास ऐसे कोई information है तो उस पर आप काम कर सकते हैं. Otherwise technically there is nothing much to say about Yes Bank, Reliance Infra, Arcom. ये सारे stocks ऐसे हैं जिसपे कोई व्यू आप बना नहीं सकते because it has passed that space. Yeah, the quick service response is a good segment right now. And if you see anything which is coming up in the FMCG or the food or hospitality, ये सारे space में जो stocks है वो eventually they will end up doing well. So you can take a look at that. No particular view on Majesco. It's going to be it moved definitely moved well, but then there's nothing much you can expect in the forthcoming months. So this is how you got to read the charts. I'll be coming up with more videos on how to read the charts. You can check out our YouTube channel. The YouTube channel is Chart Advice Profits for You. You can check out this YouTube channel. I keep on posting a lot of interesting videos on market analysis. I'll be sharing a market analysis video also. You could just take a look at that, and you can also get some view on how to read the charts as well. Reliance is definitely in a good spot. Yes, there has been a very good pullback in Reliance, and right now it is trying to recover, but still उस पे एक bearish overhang है और it will take a while for Reliance to recover. So if you're considering Reliance as an trading bet, I would say it is not a good trading bet right now. But yes, probably the dip has come for a suitable investment for maybe the next few months. Right? So yes, you can check out this link. Chart Advice Profits for You. Just search for it on YouTube. You will get this. This is the channel name. You can just search for this and you could subscribe to our channel. There are a lot of interesting videos by me, by my mentor, Dr. Narayan, mentor and our founder of our organization. And for those who are interested to learn more about technical analysis, we are doing a program this week on December 19th. It's beginning on December 19th. And this program is called as 7 Steps to Financial Freedom, where I'll be covering lots about algo trading. I'll be covering about options. I'll be covering about price action. I'll be covering about volatility readings. So a lot of things are discussed in that program. And those of you who are online and would like to expand their knowledge in technical analysis, you can check out the link in the bio. And if you want any details, you could also message us, and me or my team will get in touch with you and give you more details about the same. All right. So this was what I want to share about the concept of reading charts. We'll be coming up with more such interesting questions. And if you're not yet joined our YouTube channel or our Instagram feed, do stay connected so that you will get to learn something, and also you will also get to earn something, because I always share some interesting concepts through which you will be able to expand your knowledge. नॉलेज सभी के पास है, इंफॉर्मेशन भी सभी के पास है. अगर इसे कंटिन्यूसली रिफ्रेश करते रहेंगे तो आपकी जानकारी बढ़ेगी. एंड बिकॉज यू आर स्पेंडिंग टाइम नाउ टू लिसन टू मी, you have got some idea about how to look at the markets. You may be knowing it, you may not be knowing it, but it doesn't matter. What matters is you are willing to listen, and that's a very important quality we should have in today's world. Thank you for being here. This is Raja Venkatraman signing off. I am the co-founder of NeoTrader and also a trading influencer. Been in the markets for more than 15 years. Happily married with a loving wife and an energetic son who keeps me on the run just like the markets. Thank you. Stay safe. Stay healthy. Sure.